Autentic season's greetings. Our autism-affirming tips for the holiday. 1. Ask relatives and friends to kindly arrive and leave promptly at a pre-agreed time to avoid overwhelm and uncertainty, and explain that you will also be following the agreed schedule. 2. Advocate for any sensory needs around food specifically, and explain that different food may be supplied at different times to avoid overwhelm. 3. Explain that during visits some downtime in a sensory calming space may be needed away from noisy, bright, strongly smelling and social environments. 4. Explain any social, touching and personal space boundaries, and that you will also respect and uphold these. 5. Draw a timetable with pictures and descriptions of what will happen and when it will happen, and talk it through to identify any aspects that may be difficult so that you can plan any alternative activities or downtime in advance. Wishing all of our friends an autism-affirming holiday and winter celebrations.